So I want to talk today about getting products from pallet to pavement, and this is large format pavers. Obviously we've shown in the past some options with clamps. Today I want to show you suction, and this is our C1 package, which comes with the Ergo Assist handle, which has a ring on it for a machine, or you can use it by hand. It also comes with the ES toggle. It comes with a 25-foot hose, and it comes with the Venturi. We've chosen today to couple it to a 16 by 18 pad, and again, we're moving large format pavers. This is a Techo-Bloc Blu. It's a large format paver, very heavy, nearly impossible to grab with two guys and get over to the laying field without pitching your fingers. A lot of struggles come into moving this product. So you'll see today we've got it coupled to our Mecalac, obviously with an excavator. This is our Mecalac Dream machine, awesome machine for the hardscape industry. We also ran our hose up over the stick of the arm of the machine, which makes it really efficient because now I'm not tripping over this cord. I could run it directly from my air compressor into the unit, but then I always have to worry about stepping over that cord and tripping on it. So what I've done, and the nice part about air is you do not lose volume over distance with the air. So that makes it really nice and real efficient as opposed to electricity. So we can run long lines. I've run it up over the stick, and I've just given myself plenty of slack here at the base of the machine so that I can turn easily without tripping on that line. So just going through a few details. When you receive your C1 package, you're going to get the Ergo Assist, which is the handle, which allows you to use it either manually or by hand, or you can use it with a machine with the ring in the center. You're going to get, this is what we call a Venturi. This is what converts your forced air to vacuum. So you're going to take your hose, which you're going to get with that 25-foot hose. It runs into our ES toggle switch, and then from out of the ES toggle switch you're going to come down into the Venturi. This is a V-style fitting, so a larger port to allow larger volume. When you connect it, make sure this is connected all the way. Sometimes I've seen it where only connect halfway. You want it all the way in, so if you have an issue or a problem, those are the first things to check. Again, dropping it down onto your pad, make sure you're fully engaged there. It's a matter of setting it on your product. And with the toggle switch, that's going to suction right down. And then you're just going to release it. So pretty simple process, and you're going to see coupled to the machine how fast and efficient this setup really can be. So I'm going to talk today a little bit about the C1 package. This is our Ergo Assist, so a handle package here. Comes with the ES toggle switch. That's the switch on and off of your product. Shutting it on and off. Has the Venturi. This is the unit that converts your forced air to vacuum. So your ES toggle switch locks into your Venturi. This locks down onto your pad. Today we've got it coupled to a 16 by 18 pad. You want to use a larger pad for larger format products. So again, today we got some larger format products. You can see the option would be to hook it with a chain using our Mecalac. So setting products like that, very efficient, very fast. But if you're in an area, say you can't get your machine in, or there's not a machine on the site, This is where the Ergo Assist works out really handy with a couple of guys, one guy on each side. And again, you're still way better than being down here with your fingers pinched, trying to get that product all the way down. A lot of back strain. This here, you obviously can use a handle. Nice part about our Ergo Assist is you can hold it on the side and walk forward with your products here and the other person on the other side. So that makes it really nice for forwarding products, taking it off the pallet, walking to where you need to install it. So a few advantages, and we'll show you here just how efficient this is. So you can see, another great option, taking the heart out of hardscaping. Using our C1 package, coupled to our 16x18, move product from pallet to pavement real easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.